Hello, I'm Councillor Gabrielle De Vietri, the Mayor of Yarra, and this is the wrap-up from the Council meeting of May 18, 2021. At this week's Council meeting, we endorsed the Edinburgh Gardens Working Group. This is a great example of Council listening to and working with our community to achieve better outcomes. The group was formed as a response to community telling us what they needed. It will provide valuable information to Council on the future management of the park, especially during peak periods. We're now seeking nominations from community members who would like to be involved in the working group. We want to create a group that is representative of the diverse range of people who have a connection with Edinburgh Gardens. If you would like to be involved, visit yarracity.vic.gov.au/Edinburgh Gardens Group. This week is National Volunteer Week, and on this week we applaud the incredible contribution that volunteers make to Yarra. We recognise the crucial role that volunteers play in the success of many of our projects and programs and events. Volunteering can be as beneficial to the individual as it is to the organisation or the community that they volunteer for. Many of our volunteers report improved mental health and a greater sense of connection to their community. Volunteering also makes Yarra a more vibrant and enjoyable place to live, work and play. And for that, we are very grateful. This week, we're going to be sharing some of our stories about our diverse volunteers through our social media channels. You can check them out and find out more information about volunteering in Yarra at yarracity.vic.gov.au/volunteer. In other news, we are looking forward to the next round of our Community Vision Deliberative Panel, which kicks off this week. The Community Panel, which consists of 60 randomly selected community members, strongly reflects the diversity of our community and a range of points of view. All those views will contribute towards Yarra's first ever Community Vision. This community-led vision will guide decision-making about Yarra's services and projects and direction over the next 15 years. You can learn more at yoursayarra.com.au/future.